everybody. I'm just doing the second video on the PTAC unit, that hotel air conditioner I did there on Sunday. And this is going to be the weigh up of all of the components while they're dirty. And then I weigh up the rads and the copper tubing after I get them cleaned up. So enjoy. So we've got the compressor. 9.34 kilograms, 20.559 pounds. We've got two motors, 3.755 kilograms, 8.261 pounds. So we've got the circuit board, the box and everything, 2.585 kilograms, 5.676 pounds. Inconel or stainless, whatever you get, 0.33 pounds, 0.15 kilograms, so 150 grams. The copper tubing section, 1.565 kilograms, 3.443 pounds. And this all has to get cleaned up. We'll figure all out at the end. So dirty rads, got 17.523 kilograms, or pounds I mean, 8 kilograms. Okay, so this is the tubing and noodles that were on the rad. I've just got this little bit of tubing. I gotta clean all that up. There's just all that junk on there, so I will get that. Okay, so we're all ready to go with the rads all cleaned up. So we've got, well, that's in kilograms, 6.425 kilograms and 14.179 pounds, or 168, whatever it is. So, 14 pounds of copper aluminum rads cleaned. Okay, so this, I'm not exactly sure what it does, but anyways, I smacked that. That's just a solenoid. It's got copper in it. I haven't really bothered with them too much. I know you can smash them up with a hammer, but I just save them, and then one day I'll do whatever. I'm pretty sure this will just go as dirty brass. Oh, except for that's copper on there. Oop, there, so this is my number 2 pile, and this thing, yeah, so there's nothing on here that's ferrous. So I'm thinking that just goes as dirty copper or dirty brass. I don't know. I can't imagine it's worth tearing that apart. It seems to, well, I guess we can see how much it weighs. Hold on. Okay, so we're at 0 pounds. 0.627 pounds of dirty brass. And I don't know, I guess that just goes in there with that. It's dirty something. So 0.671. The solenoid, I don't know, maybe they go as motors. I'll have to ask McLean. 0.143 pounds. Well, let me get my gloves on here. This stuff's oily. Alright, well, might as well weigh this stuff up. I should put it in something to keep it from going all over. Okay, so that's 1.892 pounds there. I'll just move that off. So 1.364 pounds for the rest of the number 2 copper. Add that to the 1.892, I think it was. And we'll see what we get. I couldn't do an abrupt ending because I had to put the weight up there, so this is the abrupt ending.